Are you feeling your best? It's a question we often overlook in our busy lives. Do you ever feel sluggish and tired? Maybe you find it hard to get through the day without feeling exhausted. Is your digestion not quite right? You might experience bloating, discomfort, or irregularity after meals. How about your skin? Is it dull and lacking radiance? Perhaps you notice dryness, breakouts, or a lack of that healthy glow. These common issues might seem separate, but they often stem from similar root causes. Poor diet, lack of hydration, and insufficient sleep can all contribute to these problems. The good news is that a simple change in your routine could make a world of difference. Something as easy as incorporating lemon water into your daily regimen can have profound effects. Imagine feeling energized and refreshed throughout the day. Regular exercise and proper hydration can boost your energy levels significantly. Picture your digestion working smoothly and your skin glowing with health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can improve your digestive health and skin appearance. Now stop imagining and discover how a simple glass of lemon water each day can help you achieve all of this and more. Lemon water is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and other nutrients that support overall health. Keep watching to unlock the secrets of this natural health booster. Learn how this small addition to your routine can lead to big changes in your well-being. By making mindful choices about what you consume and how you take care of your body, you can start to feel your best every day. It's about creating habits that nurture your body and mind. So take the first step towards a healthier you. Embrace the power of simple, natural changes and watch as your energy, digestion, and skin transform. Your journey to feeling your best starts now. The answer to your health concerns might be simpler than you think. It's not a magic pill or a complicated diet plan. It's about incorporating a readily available natural ingredient into your daily life. The humble lemon. Lemon water, a simple mixture of fresh lemon juice and water, has been touted for its health benefits for centuries. But does it live up to the hype? The answer is a resounding yes. This easy-to-make drink is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds that can significantly impact your overall well-being. Let's delve deeper into why you should consider making lemon water a part of your daily routine. Proper hydration is the cornerstone of good health. Water is essential for every cell, tissue, and organ in your body to function correctly. It helps regulate your body temperature, keeps your joints lubricated, and aids in nutrient transportation. Without adequate hydration, your body simply cannot perform at its best. It affects everything from your energy levels to your digestion. When you're well hydrated, you feel more energetic and can perform physical activities more efficiently. Hydration also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy metabolism and supporting your immune system. Plain water is essential, but many people struggle to drink enough. The taste, or lack thereof, can be unappealing to some, leading to insufficient water intake. This can result in dehydration, which can cause headaches, fatigue, and even more severe health issues over time. This is where lemon water comes in. Adding a splash of lemon not only enhances the flavor, but also provides additional health benefits. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and supports your immune system. The refreshing taste of lemon makes drinking water more appealing, encouraging you to stay hydrated throughout the day. This simple addition can make a significant difference in your overall water consumption, helping you meet your daily hydration needs more easily. But the benefits go beyond just taste. Lemons contain compounds that can improve your health in various ways. For instance, the citric acid in lemons can help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, creating a less favorable environment for stone formation. The citric acid in lemons stimulates the production of gastric juices in your stomach, aiding in the breakdown of food and promoting efficient digestion. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who suffer from digestive issues or low stomach acid. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that citric acid significantly improved digestion in individuals with low stomach acid. This research highlights the potential benefits of incorporating lemon water into your daily routine, not just for hydration, but also for digestive health. In today's world, a strong immune system is more critical than ever. Lemons are renowned for their high vitamin C content, a potent antioxidant that plays a vital role in supporting immune function. Vitamin C helps your body produce white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that regular vitamin C intake reduced the duration and severity of the common cold. So, by simply adding a squeeze of lemon to your water. You're giving your immune system a powerful boost, helping it ward off illness and keep you healthy. Section 5. Weight Management and Lemon Water. Maintaining a healthy weight can be a challenge, but lemon water can be a valuable tool in your weight management journey. It's a naturally low-calorie beverage, making it an excellent alternative to sugary drinks that contribute to weight gain. Furthermore, lemon water can promote a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. The pectin fiber in lemons helps slow down digestion, keeping you feeling satisfied for longer and reducing the urge to snack between meals. Replacing even just one sugary drink per day with lemon water can significantly impact your weight management efforts. Section 6. Radiant skin starts from within. Everyone desires healthy, radiant skin, and lemon water can help you achieve that coveted glow. The secret lies in its potent combination of vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, a protein that gives your skin its elasticity and youthful appearance. Antioxidants, on the other hand, fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage skin cells and contribute to premature aging. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, lemon water helps protect your skin from damage, reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. So, sip your way to healthier, more radiant skin with a daily dose of lemon water. Section 7. Detoxify and support your kidneys. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from the environment and the foods we eat. Supporting your body's natural detoxification processes is crucial for maintaining optimal health, and lemon water can play a significant role in this. The citric acid in lemons has been shown to increase urine volume and raise urine pH, creating an environment that is less favorable for the formation of kidney stones. Additionally, lemon water acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and impurities from your body. By promoting regular detoxification, lemon water contributes to overall well-being. Section 8. Mood and Energy Booster. Feeling tired and sluggish? Skip the coffee and reach for a glass of lemon water instead. The refreshing taste and natural energizing properties of lemons can provide a gentle pick-me-up without the jitters or crashes associated with caffeine. The vitamin C in lemons plays a crucial role in the production of neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and norepinephrine, which are essential for mood regulation and energy production. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can help boost your mood, enhance cognitive function, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Section 9. Embrace the power of lemon water. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards better health. This refreshing beverage is not only easy to make but also packed with essential nutrients that can significantly enhance your well-being. From boosting your immune system to improving your skin, the benefits of this natural elixir are numerous and far-reaching. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. It also aids in collagen production, which is vital for maintaining healthy skin. While lemon water offers a multitude of health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation and be mindful of potential risks. Drinking lemon water can also help with digestion by stimulating the production of bile, which is necessary for breaking down food. Additionally, it can help keep you hydrated, which is crucial for overall health. The citric acid in lemons can erode tooth enamel over time, so it's advisable to drink lemon water through a straw and rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. This simple practice can help protect your teeth while allowing you to enjoy the benefits of lemon water. So why wait? Start your day with a glass of lemon water and experience the transformative power of this simple yet extraordinary drink. Whether you enjoy it warm or cold, lemon water can be a delightful addition to your morning routine. Your body will thank you. Embrace the habit of drinking lemon water daily, and you may notice increased energy levels, better digestion, and a more radiant complexion. It's a small change that can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being.